guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this very natural bronzy look. Also doing the minimal products once again. You guys love that and you guys prefer the more natural looks because I know that it is achievable for most of you. So I am going to be doing a first impressions with a brand called Physicians Formula from Dischem, and I can just say already to you guys that I do love most of these products and I definitely will pick them up again and use them again. But if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting out with a product that I'm very excited for. This is the Organic Rose Oil Lip Polish, and it comes with a spatula. It has only organic ingredients in it. So I'm just going to apply a bit on my lips and then start scrubbing. So this natural and organic lip polish only has organic ingredients. It is the rosehip oil, coconut oil, raw sugar and shea butter. It gently and naturally exfoliates the lips and it leaves the lips feeling smooth and soft and polished and prepped for the lip color or treatment application. Guys, look how plumped up my lips are. They are extremely soft. This is definitely a product that I'll pick up again. If I'm going out, I definitely think I'll use this lip polish before I apply my lipsticks. Love, 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 love. Definitely a cash-worthy product, guys. Next, we're going to be applying primer, and this is the Spotlight Illuminating Primer. So this Spotlight Illuminating Primer instantly brightens and evens out the skin tone. It offers incredible age-defying properties and visible skin correction. It can be used as a base or over the foundation. It has a luminous pearl finish and just adds a boost of radiance to the skin. Woo! Yes, definitely a product I will use again. This is just, look at this glow. I don't even want to apply foundation. Cashworthy. Next up is the Healthy Foundation. This is SPF 20 and I am shade MN3. I am so obsessed with this applicator. Look at that. Super cool. I'm actually just gonna add it in the areas that I need to. I want to have a very, very natural look. This is lightweight, it's buildable and breathable. It hydrates the skin and also brightens and evens the skin tone. It also blurs and corrects and perfects the skin. What I love most about this foundation is that it is vegan, fragrance free, cruelty free and dermatologically tested, so definitely great for all skin types and especially sensitive skin. So I applied the foundation and it is gorgeous. I am very, very intrigued to see how it looks throughout the day, but it's really, really beautiful, super glowy, very natural, and I can see that I can build it up as well. So definitely a foundation that I'll be using again. Going to be using the Brow Last brow gel by Physicians Formula. This is the medium brown and it has a brush once you open it. It's quite cool. So I'm actually only going to apply the product where I need to, where there's a bit of holes. And I actually put this on my hand when I was testing it in store at Dischem. And when I got home, I realized that this product is not coming off my hand, like at all. I had to really properly use makeup remover and a cotton wipe. I even tried taking it off first with face wash and water. Didn't work. I needed a proper makeup remover, so it really does last super long. I know that my brows are going to be perfect all day. On the other side we have the brush. Very, very cute. I love that it also has a cover, which is really nice. I'm obsessed with that. Just gonna brush through so everything is nicely blended and it just sets the brow nicely. Ooh. Oh guys, she's definitely cash worthy. Next up we have the Butter Bronzer, and this is shade Deep Bronze. This has a really cool applicator. It's actually a sponge because this product is literally like butter. It's so soft. It applies nicely onto the sponge and beautifully on the skin. I tried it out already, but I'm more comfortable using my brush, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just quickly going to bronze up my face. So this ultra luxurious bronzer is actually infused with authentic Brazilian muru butter. The ingredients are native to the nutrient-rich Amazon and packed with essential fatty acids and pro-vitamins that help soften, condition, and moisturize the skin, leaving it feeling silky soft. It is also non-irritating and does not clog the pores. Gorgeous bronze, very light and natural. Just gives the skin a nice sun-kissed look, but it's not like a heavy bronzer. Definitely going to be my everyday bronzer. Will definitely pick up this product again. Going on to this nude palette. Love the packaging of this. This can be used as an eyeshadow, as a highlighter. I'm just going to be applying the highlighter with the brush that you get at the back. Really, really cool. Ooh, yes. Taking a blending brush, I'm going to apply this bronzy shade in my crease of my eye. Using this rose gold shade in the corner, so applying that on the middle of my lid. And then also applying that same shade on the inner corner of my eye. Going to quickly curl my lashes. Now using the Killer Curves mascara, I'm just going to apply a coat on the top and bottom of my lashes. That is the brush. It's a very nice mascara. I love that it actually gave my non-existent lashes some volume and length. Okay guys, sadly we're going on to our last product. This is the Healthy Lip, and we have Fight Free Radicals, the Dose of Rose, and Very Healthy. I just want to swatch these two for you, but I'm definitely wanting to wear the Very Healthy. Let's do the pink first. It's ultra pigmented and ultra lasting. A liquid lip color, has a rich and creamy texture. It is a soft satin matte effect. It is also super comfortable on the lips, and it just glides on easily with one stroke payoff because of the easy to use applicator. Definitely the favorite color. Love, love, love this color. Okay guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below for any video suggestions or any makeup looks that you want me to create. Thank you so much for watching.